LABS.GENERATIVE AI function allows you to send prompts within Excel to a generative AI model and effortlessly retrieve model's outcomes directly into your worksheet. LABS.GENERATIVE AI function is included in the Excel Labs add-in. Using generative AI, you can even reference other cells or named formulas in your workbook. To install the add-in, follow these steps. Navigate to the Developer tab. Click on Add-ins, search for Excel Labs. Click Add and proceed with the installation. The function uses generative AI technology from OpenAI. So to use it, you need to register an OpenAI account and generate a unique API key. The LABS.GENERATIVE AI function can be called from inside any Excel cell or formula in a workbook. The function sends a prompt argument to a remote generative AI model at OpenAI and returns the response. The simplest application of LABS.GENERATIVE AI is to get the summary of the public information. For example, you need to create a list of 10 biggest countries in the world. You need to remember that by default, LABS.GENERATIVE AI outputs a result in a single cell. So we need to use TextSplit function to split the comma-separated list and then transpose it to return each country in a separate row. Another good example is asking for help with a formula in Excel. Let's say I want to sum the salary column while the department is IT. Write formula. For the first argument, select prompt. And we get the right formula. As you can see, the LABS.GENERATIVE AI function enhances Excel experience with intelligent suggestion and data analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.